Hi everyone, here we've got CUBOT X18 and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom, actually almost, because here we've got languages and input right above the backup and reset. Now let's tap on the languages, and here we've got the list of all previously added languages. We've got only English right now, so just tap on add a language, and here we've been transferred to the full list of all available languages from which we can choose. So all you have to do right now is simply find the language you would like to set and tap on it. So I will pick maybe, I don't know, maybe this one. Just tap on it. And as you can see, it immediately appears on the list. What's more, it also immediately appears at the very top of the list, because the language which will be on the very first position then will be set as a main one. So as you can see, after getting back, we can see that the language has been changed successfully. Let me enter the languages, and let me show you what to do if you've got two different languages. If you'd like to set, in my case, English as a main one, just tap on it and hold it, and as you can see, I can move it. So let's drag it to the very first position. And as you can see, the language has been changed successfully. If you'd like to remove the language from the list, then just tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on remove. Now you can mark the language you would like to remove and tap on this trash bin icon and confirm it with OK. And as you can see, it immediately disappears. So actually that's all. This is how to change system language in your CUBOT X18. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.